Hey guys, it's Justine and I'm so excited to have you guys here in my kitchen with me. And today, I'll back up a little so I'm not too close and in your face because this is a 180 video. It's also in 3D, so if you have a headset, go grab one, put it on. I won't wait, but you can restart the video. But this is gonna be super fun because today I'm going to make you pancakes. The pancakes that we're gonna make today are very special because they're 3D pancakes. Have you ever seen somebody make pancakes in 3D? I don't think you have, but today you will. So we're gonna be using this. This is shake and pour. So let me get my ingredients ready, which is just water. It couldn't be any easier. I put some water in here and I dump it on the pan. First step, we have our Bisquick shake and pour. Now, we shake and we pour, but first we have to add some water. So the first step is to add 1.5 cups of cool water to container. 1.5. I need a measuring cup. Oh, look, here's my phone. So this is a dry measuring cup, but it doesn't really matter to me. Cool water. Do you think I'm gonna spill this? Oh shoot, I did. So how much water did I spill? Like that much? Oh, I made such a mess. All right, time to shake. Turn bottle upside down, tap lid, shake container, 30 seconds. Something hit the camera. You know what's crazy about a 180 video is normally I could hide all of the things around here, but over here, this is all the stuff that you normally wouldn't see because this is where I actually usually have my camera. Oh God, no! That was an accident. Oh. Okay, let's get this thing all turned on and ready for bacon. Grilling. 30 seconds. I think I've probably shook this for about 30 minutes at this point. But now I need to get something to spray the pan. This thing's bulging. Look at that. You guys can really see this in 3D. I know you guys are super close right now, but I wanted you to really feel like you're a pancake. Who's a pancake? Me and you. Ready for the spray. I'm spraying a lot just because I want to make sure this is real greased up. God, I want to spray you guys so bad, but that's not a good idea. All right. Oh my God. Oh my God. That was absolutely, I did not mean to do that. Oh my God, you guys are gonna think that I planned this for the video, but I said, no, I will not make a mess because I don't wanna clean it up. Oh no. Oh God. Okay, well, there's still enough in here to make a pancake, so I guess we'll just leave that there for the time being. I cannot believe it. Oh my gosh. Here we go. Wonder if this is hot enough. How big of a pancake should I make it? Maddie, mommy made a mess. Maddie, come here. Uh-oh, that's gonna be a square. Should I make one more? All right. Guess I'll put another one here. Who needs half the batter on the floor? These are getting crispy, I think. Oh my goodness. I need a spatula. Oh, my phone. Need a bigger spatula. Oh yeah, look at that. Nice, 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 nice. Okay, spatula time. Are they ready? They're bubbling. Okay, so you guys, I like to flip spatulas a lot. Oh my God. I can't believe, okay, I'm just gonna flip the freaking pancake because at this point I'm gonna completely destroy my kitchen. That's a perfect pancake! Have you guys ever seen anything more perfect? Oh my goodness. These are so perfect. Look at this color, the consistency. Maybe the secret is you have to spill half of it on the floor. They smell so good. I should probably get some plates ready. gosh, this is probably expired. I haven't used syrup in 14 years. Oh, looks Canadian to me. Let's heat this up a little. Like 15 seconds. Let's do another flip here. Oh God, okay. Okay, that's not ready yet. Maybe I need to turn up the heat a little. No, I don't. I should just leave this be. I should just leave this be. Oh, oh yeah, okay. Hot maple syrup. How do I know when they're done? Maddie, look what I did. I made a pancake mess. What did I do? I know, it's pretty disappointing. Well, let's check out these pancakes and see how they're cooking up. It's looking pretty good. I think these are almost ready. Oh no! I think this is backwards. I probably should have this facing me. Okay, I think this one's ready to be plated. Plate number 2. Yeah. And, oh, come on now. Cool. Time to eat. I need to get myself a chair so I can sit down and really enjoy these. Oh, I need a fork. You know what I also need? In case I want to cut them up. Oops, forgot the fork. But let's be real, I guess I really don't even need a fork. Let's just dunk this. Oh, look at that. Look at that maple syrup goodness. Oh my gosh. Why do I not open a brunch restaurant? Immediately. This is really good. You guys want some? Here we go. Eat up. I'm gonna go eat this in the privacy of my own off camera.